Welcome to Systems Thinking. My name is Edwin Spivey, and this is ELC 688. This is a presentation, a PowerPoint slide, and YouTube video of systems thinking and technology integration at Enka High School in Asheville, North Carolina, part of the Buncombe County School Systems. We will do a little bit of background on systems thinking, and then we will spend the majority of the time talking about technology and its uses in the classroom at Enka High School. Thank you very much. Here is a quick systems thinking overview. The AADDIE model by Harless. A stands for assessment. The second A for analysis. D for design. The second D for development. I for implementation. And E for evaluation. Some of the backgrounds for system thinking is it is a conceptual framework. It's a body of knowledge and tools that's been developed to make patterns clearer and to help us see them more effectively for the organization. That's from Singy. System theory also represents a holistic view, meaning its whole is greater than the sum of its parts, and it's also the nature of the relationship among the parts. It's not just the nature of the parts themselves that makes the system unique. It's the relationship. And that comes from systems leadership. When we started Impact, we conducted a needs assessment for Enka High School. We used surveys of teachers and students to see what needs were present. From that, we developed our action plan. Included in our action plan were a professional development piece, student engagement piece, flexible scheduling for the media center, and finally, we developed a sustainability plan for Impact Fee after this year. As we looked at technology in Enka High School, we developed a two-step technology implementation plan. Step one, we needed to put the technology in the hands of our faculty. We needed to provide them with some staff development and then the support that they needed to become comfortable with that technology. We've spent most of the first year doing that. We've had numerous trainings. We've invited the faculty down for Technology Tuesdays. All our staff development meetings, we've incorporated and modeled technology. The second step, though, is where the important step is, and that's putting the technology in the hands of our students and allowing them to demonstrate 21st century skills and produce student-made products. In order to evaluate whether we're doing what we need to be doing, we are using a variety of data collection methods. We've used some evaluations. Our Stena data has been very helpful, along with our teacher working conditions survey data. We have done numerous observations and building walkthroughs to assess whether technology is being used in the building. We're using sign-in, attendance, and C-system information to track the staff developments that our teachers are attending. We are using the master calendar sign-in sheet for the Media Center to see about our media flexibility. We are using teacher and student surveys that we have created. And finally, we are asking teachers to post student work to their websites. We recognize that we have some next steps at Enka High School. We need to continue our technology integration, from moving from placing the technology in the teacher's hands to putting it in the hands of our students. This is beginning to happen, but it needs to happen much more often and with more frequency. We need to continue professional development for our teachers and support our teachers. Finally, we need to train our teachers, our parents, our students, and our community for Bring Your Own Device. That will be happening during this March, and implementation April the 1st. This is the concluding part to the first assignment for ELC 688. We've done a little bit of systems thinking. We've talked a little bit about how technology has been implemented at Impact at Enka High School, and we've talked about next steps. The final part is a YouTube clip that I videoed over the course of the past week. I hope it plays. I was able to embed it, but you will need to click on the start key to get it to play. I could not get it to go automatically. I've enjoyed this process. I've learned a lot doing it, and hope that I can polish it up and make it more applicable in the future. Thank you. And finally, here is a little bit of fun that we had going around the school and seeing what technology was being used, what trainings were going on, and cute little feature there at the end. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Just click on the YouTube link and then enlarge it and press the play button.